Today in this video, we will talk about how to delete NordVPN account. So all official methods and information you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Log into Nord account. Click on your email address and go to account settings. At the bottom of the page, you will see the account deletion section. Click delete account. You must verify your email by entering the verification code sent to your email address. After you have verified your account, you will be provided with the next steps to delete your account, and you are done. Alternatively, you can fill out our account deletion request form by following the instructions below. Open the account deletion request form. Fill in the fields indicated on your screen. This information is required to make sure that no one makes unauthorized changes to your account. When form complete, click the submit button to finish. Their customer support team will email you within 24 hours of your submission of the request form to discuss your account deletion, and you are done. If you have any questions, please make a comment. I will reply you soon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.